Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron. Okay, so today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is the month of April, so just see what it is. Let me get some, I moved some stuff around, so I don't know where anything's at. This is my little box. This is April, this sort of deal. If you don't know anything about BoxyCharm, you know what Google is. Google it. Go to BoxyCharm. There's like a link in my description. But basically, it is you spend $20-something a month, and you get 5 products. And every 3 months or whatever, you spend $50-something. I think I don't really know. Just look in the website, and it tells you. What was I saying? You look in the description, go to the website, you can sign up, it tells you all the good stuff about it, because I don't really know, I ain't a partner, I don't know what they got. So, basically, this is what it comes with. It comes like a little postcard. Where's the other postcard? Is this my postcard? Okay, maybe they just didn't give any this month. Okay, well, normally it comes with a little postcard, but this time it didn't. It just came with this stuff. So it came with some face masks. So I got 3 of them. This one says purifying. It says I'm a cactus. I'm from Arizona, so I love cactuses. Next one, it says I'm hemp. And this one's for calming. And this one is illuminating, and it says I'm lotus. So I'm about to use these tonight because I ain't doing nothing but sitting my ass at home. Okay, the next thing is alum superfood Kika Calm Cleansing Foam. That's what it is. What is this? Calming Micellar Wash. This is what you take your makeup off. Yeah. This luxurious foaming cleanser combine the hydrating and covering properties of Kika and vegan Crifer. Oh, that's too much. That's what it is. I don't have any prices, so yeah. Next thing is this the Pore Professional by Benefit. This is primer. Next thing is this iconic London Illuminator. It just says original. I guess that's the shade name. Last thing is another iconic London Melipalistic lip plumping gloss, and this is just the lip plumping gloss. Don't got no name. And yeah, normally it gives you a little postcard. I don't know, it doesn't give me nothing. This gave me this thing for makeup eraser. I didn't even get a makeup eraser. Okay, I'm gonna just say this month this box sucks. I haven't even used anything, but it sucks already. So yeah, if I could see like a postcard, I'll put a postcard here. I don't know what the prices for anything are, so if I find prices, it'll be like this price, one will have a price. This will have a price. This will have a price. This will have a price. And these will have a price. So all the prices should have shot out at you, and then the total will be right here. Right here, the total, right there. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna start by putting on some lip plumping gloss, some highlighter, and some primer. So I don't really know, yeah. We'll just start, okay? I'm gonna put the primer on right for you right now, okay? Does this give you any instructions? To use, apply to the face, then blend with fingertips, wear alone under makeup as a primer or over makeup to touch up. It comes with this long ass instructions. We don't need that. Okay, comes with a little seal, so we'll just put the seal. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna just put this everywhere. Oh, and don't mind this. This is a little mark. I had a pimple and I popped it. There's so much. It actually smells pretty good, so I'm just massaging it into all of my pores. And yeah, okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go do my base makeup on, and then we'll put this on. Well, this is lip plumping, so maybe I'll just put this on now. Let's say lip plumping gloss. Oh, the shade is called Peekaboo. So we'll put this on first. I don't like that. Yeah, you like that. Smells good. Okay. That is the gloss. So then next, we're gonna use this. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do the base and all that good stuff, and then I'll actually put on this and then tell you what this feels like. I don't know. You should back in a second. Okay, we're back and everything is basically done. I just put, what is this? Ooh, this one? Yeah. This Morphe lipstick on. And then I have that iconic London lip plumping stuff right on top of it. Just give you a little. Basically, it sort of makes your lips not like tingly, but like a little bit tingly. No, I don't know how to explain it. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try our iconic illuminating stuff. I'm just gonna do like a little drop. Let me use this Beauty Blender. I don't know if I like that. Let's try with this highlight. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm gonna wipe some of it. Yikes. Just gonna try to tone it down just a little bit. I may take a little bit. That's definitely highlight. This is a little bit more subtle. All in all, I don't mind. I feel like my eyebrows are like super chola-y right now, but this is the look, I guess, with the 3 products I was able to use. I'm probably gonna use this little sheet mask, one of these later, and I'm gonna go take orders off with this. So that is this month's BoxyCharm. This one was a flop for me. But overall, I like BoxyCharm month to month. They started giving me good stuff, but I don't know. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Or don't forget to subscribe. Bye.